What is going on, YouTube? We're back with another video with selection sort, but today we're doing Node. As you can probably see by the code on the screen, especially if you watched previous videos. And we have picked up some new subscribers, so thank you guys, thank you everyone, and welcome. So without further ado, let's jump right into this without wasting any more time, because this should be a fairly short video. As you can see, we have our fs, which is our file reader, so we require fs. And we pass dot into that to read the file that our numbers are in. Then we split on the new line so we can get each number or string, because in this case it's a string right now, and put it in array. And then we take array and we pass it to convert to ints, which then will convert the array to for each string in the array will be parsed to a number at the decimal place of 10. So then we store it in B and we return B, and then we print out the array, and then we're going to say selection sort, and then we're going to pass the selection sort, which there's nothing in it. And then we're going to print it out again. Fairly simple and easy to understand. So let's jump into writing our selection sort function. So just like all the previous videos, we're going to need a min variable, so min. Then we need a for loop, so for let I equals 0, I is less than a dot length, not selection sort. And we say I plus plus, and then inside of this we say min is equal to I. And then we say for let j is equal to I plus 1, j is less than a dot length, and this should be a -1. Some quick fix, and then that's the length, j plus plus. Go ahead and open our brackets, and then we say if a dot j, or a index j, is less than min, a min, then we go ahead and set min is now going to be equal to j. So after we loop through that inner loop, we step outside of that, and then just like before, we need a temp variable, so let temp equal a min, and then a min is now equal to a I, and then a I will be equal to temp. And that should be it. So let's go ahead and run this. First we shall save it, so Control S. Let's jump down here in our terminal, and then we go ahead and type node index.js. As you can see, an unordered array is now ordered with selection sort. There you have it. Quick and easy selection sort written inside of Node. Hopefully you guys find this video useful. You can use this algorithm in any of your other projects. Not efficient, as we said before, n squared algorithm. Can take super long with tons of elements. But anyway, there you have it. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, you understood it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Every view, everything that you do related to this video does help out tremendously, so I thank you guys for that. And who knows what we're doing next? So make sure you hit the subscribe button if you want to find out. See you next time.